Are you ready to take control of your financial future? 2025 is the year to unlock the secrets to financial literacy and achieve financial freedom. In this video, we'll break down the must-know strategies to make, save, and grow your money like never before. Stay tuned till then because we have a special bonus tip that could change your financial game forever. The new money mindset. The old ways of managing money are fading fast. In 2025, financial literacy isn't just about saving, it's about understanding the new digital economy, leveraging AI-driven finance tools, and making smart investment choices. The key: a growth mindset that embraces financial education and action. Tip 1. Embrace financial education. Follow finance influencers, read books, and take online courses. Tip 2. Use smart budgeting tools. Apps like YNAB and Mint make budgeting easier than ever. The power of investing in 2025. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for you. With platforms like fractional investing, crypto staking, and AI-driven robo-advisors, you can start growing your wealth with as little as $10. Tip 3. Start small. Think big. Even $5 a day in an ETF can compound into thousands. Tip 4. Explore alternative investments. Think crypto, NFTs, and digital assets. AI and automation. The game changers. 2025 is the era of AI-driven finance. Imagine an AI that automatically manages your budget, invests for you, and even finds the best deals on bills and subscriptions. The future is now, and those who adapt will thrive. Tip 5. Use AI to manage finances. Tools like chat-powered advisors can optimize spending. Tip 6. Set up automated investments. Let AI-driven platforms handle your portfolio. Bonus tip. Here's the golden rule to financial success in 2025. Multiple income streams. Never rely on just one income source. Explore freelancing, side hustles, digital businesses, and passive income opportunities. Now, I want to hear from you. Which financial tip are you going to start using today? Drop a comment below and let's build wealth together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on financial freedom. Ready to take control of your financial future? Watch our next video. Get ready for financial freedom in 2025.